With the Delta State Appeal Court judgment between Oborevwori, the incumbent governor, Oborevwori Sheriff, and Kampenda, the gubernatorial candidate of the Labour Party, it is now remaining 3 judgments that we are waiting in the whole nation. So the appeal court has given judgment in so many states. So in Delta State, they affirmed Oborevwori's election. So Oborevwori was elected in March as the governor of Delta State under the platform of People's Democratic Party, PDP. Now, the election in Delta State, no matter how manipulative the election may be, PDP holds the ground in Delta State internally, even though they were unable to win P2B in the presidential election. Even though our former governor, Dr. Oborevwori, as a vice presidential candidate to Atiku, even lost his own state to the Labour Party under the election of the presidency. But when it comes to gubernatorial election, local government election, state houses of assembly, believe me, PDP has the ground in Delta State, because right from time it has been the PDP state, right from the former governor James Ibori to Emmanuel Udwa to Oborevwori, and now Sheriff Oborevwori. But I don't really know what could transpire at the Supreme Court. If judiciary remains right, Oborevwori truly won the election in Delta State. So I believe when the APC and including the Labour Party, if they still go to the Supreme Court is still going to affirm that Oborevwori won the election. Truly, he won the election in Delta State. I have this article from Vanguard News. It says Delta Appeal Court affirms Oborevwori, dismisses Oborevwori Gbaji Penda's appeal for lacking merit. The Court of Appeal in Lagos on Friday, in unanimous judgment, affirmed the election of the governor Sheriff Oborevwori as winner of the March 18 poll in Delta State. The appellate court dismissed the appeal brought before it by the governorship candidate of All Progressive Congress (APC) in Delta State, Senator Oborevwori. The court held that the appeal lacked merit. Recall that the Delta State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal sitting in Asaba had on September 29 upheld Oborevwori as the winner of the March 18 governorship election. Oborevwori, however, filed an appeal at the appellate court challenging the judgment of the Election Petition Tribunal. Oborevwori, who is the immediate past Deputy Senate President of the Senate, in his appeal had prayed to be declared the winner of the poll. But Oborevwori urged the court to dismiss the appeal, which he contended lacked merit. In his judgment on Friday, the Court of Appeal upheld Oborevwori's election and dismissed Oborevwori's appeal for lacking in merit. The appellate court also upheld the judgment of the lower tribunal. The tribunal, in a separate judgment, dismissed the appeal by Kenneth Gbaji of Social Democratic Party (SDP) against PDP, APC, and the Labour Party (LP) and their governorship candidates. Similarly, the appellate court, in a separate judgment, dismissed the appeal by the Labour Party (LP) and its candidate Kampenda, challenging the lower tribunal judgment upholding the election of Oborevwori. So, if I am in the position of all these gubernatorial candidates in Delta State, I don't think there is any reason for me to appeal to the Supreme Court. First of all, I do not see any reason why they should even go to court at all to challenge the outcome of the election. There are some instances that you will see an election is okay, let me go to the court, and you might even go to court, the court will disappoint you. But in the case of Delta State, if I am to be a gubernatorial candidate from any party at all, if the money, like what happened in the March 18th, that Oborevwori was declared winner, I will not go to the court, because it is clear, it is obvious that this man truly won, and there is no how you can prove it to court unless a miracle happens, like what happened to Hope Uzodinma of Imo State at the Supreme Court. So apart from that, the gubernatorial candidate of PDP deserved the victory.